to the Hawkshead Tourist Information Centre. The plan is to maybe eat there, get like a day pass, and then head on to Ambleside and then to White Moss Common. I'm very excited. My friend is walking very ahead of me. It's download this app called Stagecoach. Shows you like all the buses that are accessible around the Lake District. I like it. Oh my gosh. Nearly at our first peak. Yeah, great. We're gonna go into the cave at some point. You want a picture? This hike is completed.
稍微好一点。